Hey everybody, what's up? My channel guys, so yeah, show you my slide. Check it out. So yeah, my first line is clipping. It's morning guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know to make slide, you know. Yeah, crunchy slide. So this is it. I get blue slide. So yeah, guys. Let's put here and get it. Like crunchy slide. It's big. So yeah, it's like blue and like what's this? So the pink is big. Make sure you guys you subscribe. My cousins YouTube channel because we're gonna do a 3 a.m. Vlog. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. And guys, and like on Miss Chloe's Instagrams and follow me in Instagram and Miss Chloe. So I got pink blue slide. I hope you guys enjoy this video because today if you subscribe our channel with my cousin Sam and me Lexi, so we're gonna do 3 a.m. challenge. So yeah, bye. See you next time if I will join a video. Bye.